Hey folks, welcome to another quick video about the 67 Mustang. So in the last one, I talked about the issues I had with the fuel tank sending unit that sends the signal up to the gas gauge, how I had the leak and all that. That I'd gotten it from CJ Pony Parts, and it was only like 15 months old. And, anyway, I did reach out to CJ Pony Parts, and I'm very happy to say they responded, and they responded in a very positive manner. Customer support was great. Once I finally got with somebody, that was the one downside. It took a bit to get somebody to talk to, and I actually had to do it through chat. Their callback feature was taking a long time, and to call and sit on hold was a long time. But I got on their little chat online through the website. That was somebody explained the situation. They first offered to send me a new one. I explained I already had a new one. And then they gave me a credit. So they credited me back for the part. No questions asked, no issues. So I was very happy with their response. I want to give a thumbs up to CJ Pony Parts, some good customer service. I've seen elsewhere where some people have complained about dealing with CJ Pony Parts and customer service. I've had no issues. Every time I've had to deal with them or give them a call about anything, they've been really quick to respond, been very helpful with helping me get parts and everything else I needed. So I just want to let y'all know that CJ Pony Parts did me right. I'm very happy with how they resolved the issue. And as I promised, I would let y'all know if that happened. So it did. So I wanted to say that, send that, or let y'all know about that. That's what I'm saying. So as far as the unit, the setting unit I got from Melvin's Classic Fords, working like a champ. Nothing, well, I say working like a champ. No leaks anyway, because I don't have the instrument and all that panel in here, haven't cranked the car, whatever. I can't say that it's reading right, but I don't see a reason why it wouldn't. I've got it all done back there. Just do a quick update here. Like I said, this is going to be a quick video. So on the wiring in front, I've got the parking lights wired. I've got the horns wired, and that leaves me with the headlights wired. And so I'm going to be getting that done. I did pull the headlights out. So you can see here where I pulled them out. They still work in good shape. I'm probably going to clean these contacts up a little bit. I'm just planning to put these original Sylvania 6014 12-volt headlights back in the car. Eventually, I may get some halogens. It's the nice thing about the new wire harness that's going in. It can handle all that. But for now, I'm just going to put these back in. I did find that the buckets in the fenders that these go into were a bit rusty. So, of course, I had to clean those and then paint them. So that's kind of why I'm delayed on this. I got that done. So these are going to hopefully go back in this evening. Yet I'm not going to show you all that. The other thing I got was okay. So this here is one of the defrost ducts that goes up under the dash. This is the driver's side. So as far as I know, this is all original. Now this is plastic, hard plastic. It's in good shape. Need to clean it out a little bit. But these tubes, as you can see, are a bit, well, there you go. You can see it, that's falling apart. Well, when I went out to Melvin's Classic Fords, I got a couple of new tubes here. So I'm going to put that on here as well. These just staple on. These are just staple on. I'll probably actually do some zip ties or something. I don't know. Anyway, figure out how to get them back on there. But anyway, this goes up there. So got that to do as well. So I'm going to get to putting the headlights, not the headlights, the wiring harness for the headlights together and get it set up to go this evening. We'll see how it goes from there. But this is going to be pretty much it for the video. Like I said, very, very quick one, I think. We'll see. I might add some more to it. I don't know. But we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and get started on this other stuff and make the decision on what I'm going to do. So anyway, here I go. Okay guys, so I decided to continue a little bit on the video. I've actually got the front harness done, I think. And actually got the point where I've got the car cranked. So yay! And she's running. We have a dome light, so that's good. Still got a lot of stuff. The little, I don't know if y'all can see it down here, but a lot of folks have been, I've seen several posts about what the heck that is. So it's there. That's the seatbelt warning light. It works. It actually comes on when you crank the car. Can't get the headlights to work. I'm not sure quite what that is, but I'm not gonna worry too much about that yet because I still have a lot of other things to run. I don't know. Might be a ground issue because I don't have the retaining thing, so it might be they're not grounded right. I don't know. But she's running. It means the ignition part is all good. It means the neutral safety switch is all good. So, yay. I'm happy to get her purring again. So, very cool. So that, guys, if you can hear me over the engine running, I just enjoy hearing the sound, so I'm going to let it do that. Anyway, so we'll go ahead and call this a video. Hopefully it works out to be short. Got to edit it to find out. But so we got TJ Funny Parts good. Yep, responded. We got car running again. Good. So that's good. Front wire harness lights installed. Still trying to figure that one out. Well, it's the headlights. Actually, none of the lights except for the dome light are coming on. I haven't tried the brake lights actually. Try that. Anyway, so there you have it. Quick update. I will be going on vacation next weekend, so don't expect any videos on the Stang probably for a couple weeks because I've got some other projects I got to work on around the house before the wife kills me. So with that, make sure you give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date as I do more work on the car. We still have floor fans in, so I'm going to get all the electrical stuff finished up. Suddenly my brain is fried. Anyway, it's a floor fan and whatnot. So again, subscribe to the channel so you know when we do these things. With that, make sure to leave any comments, get any ideas, suggestions, whatever. So as I've said before, I'm a computer guy. I'm not a mechanical guy. So I think I'm doing pretty good with novice kind of experience. So with that, I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks.